Hello everybody, and welcome to Benji's Food Corner. Today I'll be checking out Ida Extra Crispy Tater Tots. This will be a review of the food just as it will be an instruction on how someone might prepare this meal. Whether with your friends or just by yourself, this is a fun and easy snack. Now before I start though, I wanted to say that unlike my previous videos that are regarded by many as really funny, this series is aimed to be educational. Now that I have these out of the bag, I'm going to start by preheating the oven to 450 degrees. While I'm waiting, the tots will thaw out while I work on some other preparations. First I'm going to grate some cheese for later, then I'm going to brew up some sauces. The first sauce is ketchup mixed with sriracha. If you don't like spice, then don't use sriracha. The second sauce is our sour cream. Once the preheat is done, place the tots in the oven for 15 minutes. Don't forget to clean up your workspace after you're done. Make sure that everything you got out is put back away. After 15 minutes, remove them and sprinkle the cheese on top. The cheese will melt quickly so you can scrape them off into the pan.
Why would you do that, Josie? I'm literally filming. Alright, you want to be in it. All the comments will hate you.
And with that, I'm finished. I hope you enjoy. I rate Ida or Tots 7 out of 10. I might round up in the future, but for now, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching.